Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video and an update regarding Digital Wealth Pros. We are currently running a bonus for all of those who are looking to sign up with Digital Wealth Pros. This is going to be a review slash proof slash update. So if you're interested in learning more about the opportunity or you want to know about the bonuses that's included, the additional um, levels that they've added. I'm going to be talking about that today in this video. It is pretty late here on Saturday evening, but I wanted to come to you guys with this video before I go to sleep because we have some exciting news. And not only that, the program is actually doing very well, and I'm going to be promoting it consistently over the next few months. So what you're looking at right now is my Stripe account, which has some payments that I received for this opportunity. And what I like the most about this is that it's very consistent. And not only that, the heavy lifting is done for you. And what I mean by that is that they have call center reps that can answer the questions about the opportunity and pretty much get you updated with what's going on, how it works, and what to expect when you get started. So here I have two sales that came in today, an $800 sale and a $200 sale from Digital Wealth Pros. These are just some of the payments that I've received from various number of opportunities that I promote. I promote currently right now 3 opportunities that I've been promoting for just about over a year or two, and they are still doing very well. Digital Wealth Pros is an additional income stream that I've just added approximately, I want to say 6 to 7 months ago. And what I love about this is that this is a low to mid ticket offer and it's a one-time payment. So you do not have to worry about any monthly reoccurring charges with this. And not only that, you're going to get way more than what you pay for. As far as what they give you and the trainings that they have is a ton of stuff in your back office when you get started. So some of the things people may want to know about Digital Wealth Pros is, what is this business all about? This is an online business opportunity that's going to teach you how to produce an income from home online, and it's going to give you educational products that's going to allow you to generate traffic, free traffic and paid traffic. But not only that, they're going to give you some additional resources on how to make money from home. So if you're looking to leave your current job or you want to add an additional income stream to what you already have, this is a great platform to do so. So what I'm going to do is go over to the Digital Wealth Pros capture page. This is a capture page that I use and that I like, which just says free video reveals shocking system generates automatic $200 to $800 unlimited payments. Right now, we do have a special promotion that's going on where if you come in at the $800 level, you're going to automatically be upgraded to the $1,500 level, which is the newest level that has been added to Digital Wealth Pros. That promotion is going to go on until October 15th. So for those who are looking to take advantage of this promo, still have a week left to actually get involved and get that free upgrade. So you're going to get unlimited $200 to $800 payments. This information will be updated once the new the $1,500 level comes out. These payments go directly to you. There's no middleman. So whatever payment you receive is going to go straight to you. MoneyGram, Western Union, Zelle, PayPal, Stripe, Cash App, whatever you decide to use is how you're going to get paid. They have a professional call center that closes all the sales. So a person can actually call the 1-800 number, leave your ID, and they will have a professional call center rep give them a call, answer any questions that they have, and send them the link to get started with this opportunity. You never need to speak to anyone to try to sell them this product because they are taking care of that part for you. 100% advertising can be done for you. Proven to work training and marketing strategies and a complete automated income. So once a person puts in their email, we're going to just select an email. This is going to take them to the sales page. And this sales page is the one that I've had created for my team members. You do not need to use this sales page. The company also provides a sales page at no additional charge when you become a Digital Wealth Pros member. Okay. So Digital Wealth Pros has a website. Um, my team will have a website as well. It's up to you what you decide to use. Okay. At the $800 level, you will get the website at no additional charge. If you come in at the $200 or the $400 level, here at the bottom, you'll see that it's a $97 one-time fee for this website. So here you have the video that basically gives you more information about the product, how it works, what to expect when you join this opportunity, and not only that, what this is all about. If you are not familiar with Digital Wealth Pros, you want to take your time to go through this video because it's going to answer a lot of questions that you may have about this opportunity and how it works. Now, here, it just gives more information about the opportunity, basically letting you know that they're going to close the sales for you. They'll send your link over to potential members, and they will make sure that they help them to get started. They have a proven system, and what you'll see is that when you get into your back office, they will show you the different ways that they have generated sales for the system with some of the different traffic strategies that they have used that actually works. Okay. They have a DWP digital library. You're going to get a ton of different ebooks, audios, and videos that's going to help you to improve your business, your health, your wellness, and also your mindset. So they're going to give you different strategies on how to build a business from home, different ways that you may have never thought of how to make money from home. They're going to talk about how your health and your wellness goes hand in hand when it comes to making money and why that's so important. And then also they're going to go into some different audios that you can listen to about just business in general and how to become a better business person or entrepreneur if that's what you're looking to do. They also have some ad campaigns that they have tested, and they're going to show you how they work and how you can test these ad campaigns. Once you become a paid member, this is going to be in your back office as well. Again, the payments are going to go directly to you. So in your system, you're going to be able to log in the different payment methods that you would like to use to get paid through. Once you are a member, you get 100% commissions. You do not need to split these commissions with the company. And everything gets sent directly to you. Okay. We also have some bonuses available as well for those who decide to come into my team. Once you are a paid member, you're going to get an email that's going to be automatically generated with the bonuses that comes with DWP. So here you have the 200, the 400, and the 800. Right now, for the $800 level, you're going to automatically get bumped up to the $1,500 level. And we also have these different bonuses that are available to you as well. And if you want to go through the bonuses, right in the description below this video is the link that will take you through all of the bonuses that I offer for my team. Okay. These bonuses are now open to the public. This is not something that people can just get. It's going to be only for my team members and the people that join me directly. So moving right along on this website, the one thing that I love is that this is customized to you. So you can put your information, your name, and your picture on this website so that you are branding yourself and people get to build that know, like, and trust factor with you. Okay. Right now, I know it says to October 1st, but this was actually updated. So again, it's going to October 15th, where you're going to be bumped up to the next level at no additional charge. There is a one-time admin fee for each level. If you decide at a later date you would like to upgrade, you have to pay the full amount to upgrade. Okay, so I tell people take advantage and come in where you want to be and how you want to position yourself, because to upgrade, you don't pay the difference, you have to pay the full amount. So for the $800 level, there's a one-time admin fee of $197. For the $400 level, there's a one-time fee of $97. And for the $200 level, there's also a one-time admin fee of $97. Okay. At the level 1, you're going to collect unlimited $200 instant payments. At the $400 level, unlimited $400 instant payments. And at the level 3, unlimited $800 instant payments. Okay. Also here we have the different bonuses that I offer to my team. At level 1, there's 3 bonuses. Level 2, there's 8. And in level 3, there's a total of 14 bonuses. At the highest level, you do get a one-on-one coaching with me, where I will go through the things that's most important and what to focus on when building your business, setting up your funnel, your email swipes, and also the traffic generation strategies that I highly recommend. So here you have step 2, you're going to pay your one-time admin fee. You call and leave a message with the ID number for your sponsor. They're going to call you back, send you your link to get you set up. You set up your back office. So once you become a member, what you want to do is you want to set up your back office to make sure that your payment information is logged into the system, so that when call center reps speak to potential members, they have your information in the system. You're going to start driving traffic, whether that's free traffic strategies or paid traffic strategies. And then you're going to start to get leads and also sales coming into your business. Now, one of the things I want to say is that results vary, right? Everyone doesn't get the same results. It depends on your work ethic, your consistency, and also your skill set, how much you decide to learn and apply what you learn as you grow your business. This is not a get rich quick overnight opportunity. This is a business. This is something that you're going to have to put some time into in order to get profits from this opportunity. Okay. So I just wanted to make that very clear, that you're going to have to put the work in if you want to see the results. And you're going to have to put aside a certain amount of time per week to start getting those results over and over and over again. Okay, so sometimes people say, well, Amanda, how did you do it? It's about consistency and working when you don't see the results, because sometimes results are not going to come right away. Sometimes it may take a couple of weeks, it may take a couple of months, but you have to stay consistent with your efforts until you see those results coming in consistently. Okay, and I tell people this all the time. The more traffic you put into your business, whether it's free or paid traffic, it's going to pay off when you are using those traffic strategies consistently. Okay. So if you want more information about this opportunity, or you want to reach out to me, my information to contact me is also in the description below. I can answer any questions you may have, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.